Hi, and welcome to a trade of the day for the 2nd of September. My name's Tom. I'm a senior trading strategist here at Trend Signal. We're going to go through an opportunity on the NAS 100 that closed out about an hour ago as of speaking. We're Trend Signal. We've been trading these end of day markets since 2003. I want to teach you exactly how we do so. So, what do we use? We look for these sniper discs that you see on the screen and a couple of other indicators that we developed so that you can tell momentum on different time frames. Let's go through the process. We'll then talk about the results and we'll then talk about how you can actually do these for yourself. So what do you see on your screen? First of all, red sniper disc. We have a CP up here telling us we're supported by a charting pattern. We also have a green to red change color and a green to red change color. These are called the trend signal line and the vector average line respectively. As long as you have all three of these lined up, sniper, green to red, then it's a valid trend signal trade. We then use our tools to have an automatic suggestion of how far these trades are, number one, likely to go, and how far we're willing to be wrong before we move on and wait for the next opportunity. In this case, if you were trading yesterday on the 1st, what you would have seen was an 88.6 stop in pips. You'd also be looking at a starter target of 235. If you were looking to manage this trade a little bit more closely and go for an extended target, you were looking at 469 pips out of the opportunity. What we're doing essentially, if I zoom out, is we're looking to come down to this area of local resistance. And essentially, when we approach that level, we need to manage the trade a little bit more closely to see if it's going to go any further or bounce as it has done in the past and resume its course very slowly upwards over the longer time periods. And to be fair, that's exactly what we see in this trade. So our starter target was hit very quickly, 88.6 to 235. You're looking in the region of a 3-to-1 on your first starter. However, the momentum's been really strong. We've pushed down the entire way to our extended target of 469 pips. You can probably see on the screen this green line and how close it is on this candle, on the stick, I suppose you call it, or the wick. Just to show you where this was, remember this number, 22991, that's our target. If we go down and, for example, look at the 15-minute time frame, 22991 is just about here in line with my cursor. So we almost perfectly timed this move. There was a pip or two either side of it, but I don't think you can blame us for missing that. To give you some context into what this would actually mean for you if you were trading this, if you hit that extended target, it's less than 24 hours since we opened the trade. At a pound per pip is £469 for your efforts. £2 per pip, £938. I mean, if you're trading on an intermediate sized account, say something like £5 per pip, it's nearly 2.5 grand just from one day's worth of work. And quite nicely, we didn't even really have to manage this opportunity because it pushed there so quickly. If you want to see how we identify these trades, get access to the tools, see us trade live, management, all that kind of stuff, then we do a couple of sessions a week. Our next session is going to be tonight at 7 p.m. Pop along, see us. We'll go through the opportunities, and yeah, we'll see you there.